Hello, here's a quick word tip. This is about a table of contents for your document. So a table of contents is usually like a cover sheet where you have all the items listed, which are the main things in your document, with reference to which page number they're on. And the difference between a table of contents and an index, which usually appears at the end of your document, is a table of contents is clickable and you can go straight to that item on the list. Let me show you now how to do this. So this is what a table of contents looks like. I've inserted a new page. I've gone to insert and put a blank page at the beginning of my document to create my table of contents. And how it works is I just hover, hold Control, click, and it takes me to that part of the document. There you go. So how to make your own table of contents then? Let's insert another table of contents at the beginning of this document. So I'll put in a blank page right up the top here. And this is going to be our table of contents. So on the references ribbon, I want to insert a table of contents, which is on the left of my ribbon here. And here, there's different styles that I could use. So I'll just pick the first style, keep it easy for you. And there it is. It goes through the document and it finds all the heading styles. And depending on what level of heading style they are, that's how prominent they are here. So project concept and design, if I Control click to go to see that, that's a heading here. Go to the home ribbon, you can see that's my heading 1 style. If we look at 2-bedroom houses, that's my heading 2 style. So back up to the table of contents, that's how they are more prominent if they are a higher number of heading style, and a lower number like 2-bedroom houses would be indented like so. So I hope you found that useful, and if you've got any questions, my contact details will follow.